Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can find the exported videos on your CapCut PC. So let's begin our video. First click on the search box and here you can just type the run and open it. Now here you can just type the app data. Once you type it, just click on the OK. Now this folder will open and now here you will see the folder of the local. Just click on the local folder to open it, and now here you have to just search for the CapCut folder. So once you find the CapCut folder from here, just open this. Now here you will find the videos folder on the third number. So you can just open it and here you will find all of the videos you exported recently from the CapCut. But this folder is not easily accessible, so what you can do, you can drag it to the quick access. So if I click on the videos, so it is easily accessible. So you can simply click on the videos and go to the folder quickly. So click on the export option and here you can export the video to a specific folder. Just click on the browse option and now here you can just select the disk or the folder that you want to export the videos from the CapCut. So if you try to export the videos on your download folder, just select it, click on the export. And I hope you guys understand, and this is how you can find the exported videos. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, and because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.